Start. Very short and very fast about anemia. Anemias. There are three mechanisms of anemias. This erythropoietic anemias, problem in formation of blood cells. Hemolytic anemias. Post-hemorrhagic anemias. Let us see very fast. Post-hemorrhagic, two types: acute, chronic. Acute bleeding, chronic bleeding. Acute has three stages: latent stage, hydromic stage to retain water, bone marrow stage to maintain deficit of blood cells. Chronic usually leads to iron deficiency anemia. Hemolytic anemias, two types: hereditary, acquired. Hereditary, three types: membranopathy, enzymopathy, hemoglobinopathy. About membranopathy's problem in spectrin, less elasticity of erythrocytes. Most common type is spherocytosis anemia. Enzymopathy is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase anemia. Hemoglobinopathy, there are two types, most common: sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. About acquired, there are three types: toxic, immune, blood transfusion, and mechanical. About this erythropoietic anemia, in bone marrow problem, we need for formation, we need iron, we need DNA. For DNA, we need B12, we need normal bone marrow, we need some growth factors, for example, erythropoietin, which these erythropoietic anemias are there, most common. No iron, then iron deficiency anemia. No B12, so B12 deficiency anemia. Bone marrow problem, stem cells, autoimmune disorders, aplastic anemias. And last rare one is vampire disease or porphyria. We call it porphyria. How to see what we can see under microscope and blood smear. Iron deficiency anemia, triad: microcyte, anulocyte with hole, and hypochromic, less colored. About acute, bone marrow working very hard, then macrocyte, big, and hypochromic, have no time for colored, hypochromic. Hemolytic anemia, toxic, usually we can find erythrocyte with basophilic stippling with some points. About hereditary, sickle cell, sickle shape, thalassemia, target board. About spherocytosis, ball shape like this spherocytosis. But there is rare types also like this, digmocytes, as star, like different shapes of red blood cells. Last one, this erythropoietic, iron deficiency already said, microcyte and anulocyte, hypochromic. B12 deficiency, big, very big. We call it megalocyte, megaloblast, and hyperchromic, high color. And about neutrophils in B12. Neutrophils, they have more segmented, hypersegmented neutrophils. Aplastic anemia, B12 deficiency anemia, they give pancytopenia. Pancytopenia means all blood cells are decreased. Porphyria is a binding problem between iron to porphyrin, no enzyme. This is the way they call it vampire disease, rare type. This is in general all types of anemia. Thank you very much.